Walmart. Get 4 lines on Silver Unlimited for $25 per line per month.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I got one more radio from Jeff in this batch that he brought me, and this is an electro band radio, AM only, 5-tube. This is a tube radio with this plastic blue case, and AC only, so it plugs into the wall socket, and we're going to try it out right now.
Investment options and can cost you thousands
Little
of dollars
tinny.
more in fees. And that's true even if you roll it over into your...
Now, it probably prefers to be this way. No, not too much difference. Okay, we'll move on up. We'll turn the volume up a little bit.
VT, Virginia Tech.
Whoa.
Good job, fellas. Now, you are CT like Connecticut, so it's VETS.
Yeah, a little tinny.
.org. You can find us online. You can donate there. You can find out all about the program.
More people with those chickens, isn't that? I think that's a thing. We talked a little about that yesterday. Preparing. Like it all depends.
Yeah, it's better that way.
You and praying like it all depends. Like prep hard, pray harder. That idea, I think that's just smart.
The problem is, on AM, most of the AM stations are that direction. And so the radio wants to be this way, so that the antenna is perpendicular to the stations. But then you can't see the front of the radio.
The other day, Captain Harris, you see the black swan.
The European Central Bank is already looking at controlling anything you spend money on if you're using their digital currency.
That little clip freaked everybody out.
I'm going to tune it like this.
My aunt described it as camera.
Yeah, maybe it doesn't like that direction. Try it back here. What the heck?
It's available now.
Extinguishing the light.
Yeah, we got a lot of noise in the background. That's it. Not the best. Of course, it is a tube radio, so maybe the tubes need replacing. I don't know. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. Like I say, he brings me a batch every month or so, and I show them to you. And then he comes and brings some new ones. So we'll probably see him after the New Year's with a new batch of radios for you to see. Have a happy holiday. Bye-bye.